Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Kennesaw local and long-distance movers. Near me. You can hire our expertise to meet your long-distance moving needs. Moreover, we are dedicated to fulfilling your unique requirements responsibly. As one of the best long-distance movers, we strive hard to ensure 100% customer satisfaction. Here's what we offer to our customers: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. Many people believe that hiring Kennesaw local movers results in unwanted expenses. If you analyze the benefits of seeking professional help, you won't follow their advice. The advantages make the cost look insignificant. Many people also lack the experience to pack and handle various types of valuables and equipment. Further, it is practically impossible for many to invest time and find resources to move their belongings safely. Our streamlined approach makes your move incredibly easy and affordable. We don't need a lot of time to get you settled in your new office or home. Our experts perform all tasks in no time and help you relocate in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Kennesaw moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.